Welcome to the Terrain Navigator Pro software training series.
This video overviews how to create layers using the Tools menu within Terrain Navigator Pro. Hello, in a few moments I wanted to share with you how to create layers within Terrain Navigator Pro using the Tools pull-down menu option. Layers, as you know, are points on the map associated with a particular location or georeference. In this case, I'm showing you 4 of the tools or layer types: a marker, label, GeoPin, and range ring. The process is quite similar for all of these. Once you have the tool of choice, left click to create, and then you can hover over that existing layer to get additional options. Okay, let's go ahead and do one. Tools, left click, scroll down to change tools. Let's use markers to start with. Left click on markers. You can see the icon is now a triangle. I will place one on top of hill 2595. I'll have it where I want it. The icon is the triangle, as I said. Left click, there it is. Now, once I scroll back on top of the existing icon, it changes. In this case, it's a hand. If I hold down the left mouse button and drag, I can reposition it to where a different location, hill 2502. Once I go back on top of it again, right click, I can do a variety of additional things, including get information. In this case, the latitude, longitude, the elevation, when it was created, its name, and the map itself. Okay, I'll close that out. That's a nice introduction to markers. Let's change our tool. Tool, left click, scroll down to change tool. Let's use label. You can see I've already created a label because this marker here is associated with a location where a meteorologist wants to take monthly readings, but it could have been for a realtor, forester, also interested in a particular point. Okay. Notice that when I'm on top of an existing label, the icon looks different than when I'm on a blank place on the map. Let's create a label here for this. Let's just left click. That's always the standard approach. Notice we have the label option. I'll now type a label. Now I can move that, again, by scrolling on top of it. It changes. I can now drag it and also drag the point. And we're set. Let's change tools, explore something else. Tools, change tools, GeoPin. A GeoPin is a great way to have a file that's on your computer or a link to the web associated with a particular place on the map. In this case, this is where an eagle was spotted by a biologist. Notice that when I am on a blank place of the map, again, I have this mini pin. When I scroll over an existing GeoPin, then it turns to a different icon, in this case a hand. I will right click, load, and there's just an example from the web of an eagle. Let's go ahead and create one. This looks like a good place. Left click. We get this pop-up box, and I'm just going to call this example grasses. And then we have to choose the target, whether it's the web or whether it's a file on our computer. In this case, we'll go to the computer. I'm just going to use a photo from grasses, ground cover. And I could lock that so it doesn't accidentally move, but we'll just close this right now by saying OK. And now when I click on, when I roll over the existing icon and hover and right click and load, now you can see the grasses. If we want to move that again, we can scroll on top. So it goes from the pin icon, in this case, to the hand, and then we'll hold down the left mouse button and drag that to a place of interest and let go. Okay, we have other options as well. Okay, let's change tools. Tools, change tools, range rings. Now again, mine look different because I changed the preferences within the file menu. Here is a range ring that exists. Notice the icon changes when I'm on either the center point or one of the concentric circles. Let's just place one right here. Left click, there it is. Notice that I have it set up to show the perimeter. I can get information, for example. If I go over an existing one, right click, information, tells me, among other things, the total area. In this case, 124 acres. So the process is the same for almost all of these, which is choose the tool you're interested in, left click to create, and then hover on top and right click to move or to get information or edit. Again, range rings would be a great tool if I was trying to determine the acres required for irrigation, or to see how far a potential subject might walk in search and rescue, things like that. So this is a great introduction to the tools, and we'll explore these further in other videos. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for watching this video regarding Terrain Navigator Pro. To learn more, please visit terrainnavigator.com or call 1-800-627-7236 extension 204.